Incoming inspection area. Our machines have over 18 parts. How do we know if it passes or fails? After flying inspection and general inspection. If it is a qualified product, place it in the rack tray area. We will distribute the defective products in boxes of different colors. Every step is strictly controlled. Then to the rack placement area for integrated molding, saving maintenance time and cost. Second, the component assembly area. From the assembly area to the finished product area. Have you found that we don't have a single screw on the ground? What measures have we taken? This part has not been inspected in any way. These are already assembled. After our inspection, there will be signs on it. Manual inspection and then thread glue. Let each of our screws lock tightly on our machine. Let our machine not lose screws. We hope that each machine can be used normally to improve efficiency for you. Third, the whole machine assembly area. No matter how tall the building is, it has to start from the foundation. Many people say, how is our packaging machine controlled? Let's take a look at the aerodynamic changes today. Just put the trachea in my hand, wear it on our machine. Complete the pneumatic process. Next is electric. Simple threading from us. Every machine that comes to our side. Some people think it is expensive. Where is it so expensive? We have a lot of terminals just like our capillaries.